In this video, I'll show you how to use Jotform Tables Prefill, a quick and efficient way to save time and keep your form data accurate. Start by opening jotform.com and logging into your account. If you're new, sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in your dashboard, open the form you want to work with and head to the Publish tab at the top. On the left panel, click Prefill, and from the available options, select Tables Prefill. Now, choose the Jotform table that contains the data you want to use. Make sure you also select the correct tab inside that table. Once that's done, it's time to map your columns. Match each column in your table to the right field in your form. For example, connect the name column to the full name field. This ensures every piece of data ends up in the right place. After mapping, click Save Settings to confirm your setup. Then click Add a new prefill. Here, you can pick specific rows or entries from your table that you want to prefill. When ready, hit Create and Jotform will instantly generate prefilled form links. You can now share these prefilled URLs with others, letting them open forms that are already filled with the data you've chosen, saving you time and reducing manual entry errors. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Jotform Tables Prefill to make your workflow faster and smarter. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick Jotform tutorials.